while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Yeah.
What's up? As you guys can tell, it's already night. And right when I start the video, the lights turn off. Whatever. Anyway, here's Jose. We're putting on gloves because we're gonna do an oil change on my truck because I only have 3% and my appointment's till Thursday, so I'm gonna cancel that. So screw that. Well, actually, I'm not gonna cancel it because I need to take my truck on the recall. It got recalled, so I need it for the recall. That's it. But yeah, anyway, let's get to work because we're burning daylight here. Well, night light. Night light. Yeah. So as usual, me and Jose are always starting out super late. And we need the most flashlights as possible. We bought the oil tank because hey, we're gonna start working on our trucks. We're YouTubers now. We gotta do stuff on our own. So yeah, don't you need a more over there?
No, it's built that way and then it's gonna go that way.
But yeah, there it goes. This oil filter was basically hand tight. It wasn't. It wasn't.
It shouldn't be too tight or too loose because then you can get them too tight and then you won't be able to get them off.
But he said it was hand tight and
it was a little too loose though.
Yeah, well, that's not too secure for me. For my liking. Is that the cat or? Is that the cat or? No, it's Napa.
Napa. That's where they buy all the parts. No.
Okay, so we just got done pouring the oil onto this truck. Now we gotta check how much oil it has. You wanna do the honors?
Yeah. Yeah, it's right here. It's perfect.
There we go. Who said two monkeys can't do an oil change?
Right. Not my first time, though.
Alright, well. I'm gonna show you guys for the people that don't know how to reset your oil on a 2015 GMC or from 2014 to 2018 and on older. All you gotta do is go into your menu of your oil life and all you gotta do is hold the check mark. Hold the check mark. That's all you gotta do. And it'll reset and there it goes. It's reset. 100%. So what do you guys think we're gonna do with the oil? No, we're not gonna throw it right here on my floor or anything like that. Jose is gonna take it to an oil place that he knows and he's gonna put it right there. Recycle it.
You take it on Riley's or AutoZone and then sometimes they have a promotion to give you oil filter, you know that?
Oh, I didn't know that.
Depends.
Yeah, but he's gonna take it to a place that he knows and recycle it. Okay, so we look scary.
I know we do.
Okay, there you go. We still look scary, but not as much. Anyway, anyway, I hope you guys like this video. This little video of us doing a little oil change on my truck. So hope you guys like it. See you guys next time. Peace. We're YouTubers, buddy.
Yeah.
So we came to wash our trucks. He's gonna wash his truck. It's pretty dirty. Let's see the outcome of it.
still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within. Mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.